What's up, y'all? This is fgrogan, and I am coming a little bit earlier than what I wanted to. I just wanted to wait at least until Thursday to do my next video, but I'm going to do it today. I'm going to change my style from the flexi rod. So this is the result of the flexi rod set. I just threw it up in a ponytail up top, left some out in the back. Because I did not take care of it like I should have. I wasn't tying my hair up or anything. My husband and I partied hard with our friends this weekend, and we tore D-Town up, y'all. And my hair was not the first thing on my mind when I came home. So that's my fault, but next time I do that, I definitely will take care of it. And I think this is still pretty cute. I think the unruly look, kind of messy look is cute. I think I look pretty cute, but I'm ready for something different. And today I am going to try to attempt to do a body wave, a wave pattern look, and I just want to stretch my hair out a little bit. I haven't seen my hair straight since November, and I'm dying to see if I'm making any progress, but it's so much new growth and it is getting long. I don't know if you guys can see that. I gotta scoot back. See how long it's getting? So I'm very pleased with that. It looks like it's getting some type of length, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna do the body wave look, and I got this idea from my Cherie Hair. I saw a video of her doing that, and I'm gonna be using these curl type things. They have wires, so you can do that. These are Conair. I'm gonna wash my hair with the olive oil aloe shampoo. This is like a clarifying shampoo. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to deep condition with my olive oil replenish conditioner. I'm going to apply my leave-ins, Afro Gel, and I'm also going to apply my Neutrogena Triple Moisture. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the heat protectant, and I'm going to come back after I apply this and show you guys how I am going to blow dry my hair. Okay, I am done blow drying, and it did not come out as flat as I wanted it to, but it's super thick too. I'm very happy with how thick it is. Man, that's crazy. Okay, I did a few passes with my flat iron just to take some of that bulk out. It's still kind of big, but it's better than what it was. So I'm going to apply a little bit more Neutrogena Triple Moisture to my hair, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm about to start rolling. So I'm going to take one. Don't want a tight curl. Like I said, I'm just trying to get a little wave look. So I'm going to take about that much hair. And I'm going to take the thing and start from about up here and just twist the hair around. Just keep twisting it around, and then take it and roll it up. And just clamp them together. I'm going to do one more. I don't know if you can see that. And I was kind of struggling with that one. It didn't go as smoothly as I thought. I'm going to do one more so you guys can see. And you guys can see these are large sections of hair. Like I said, I don't want a tight curl, just want a little wave. So I'm going to take another one. I'm not going to start at the bottom. I'm going to start kind of towards the top and just wrap my hair around it. See how I'm struggling with that? Wrap it around. And when it gets to the end, just kind of take it and roll it up. And I'm going to finish my hair and I will be. Okay, it's the next morning. I'm going to take these down and I have no idea how these are going to turn out. But however it turns out, that's how I'm going to floss it. So here we go. This is trial and error. Try different things to see what your hair likes, and I'll know what I need to do differently next. And these things are so soft, like I couldn't tell that I had them on. So I'm going to go ahead and take them down and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the final results. It has the body wave look in it. Can you see that? I'm going to try to turn around so you guys can see. And I think it came out great. What do you guys think? If you have any suggestions, let me know. And here's my version of a body wave look on, or body wave, beach wave look on relaxed hair. So tell me what you guys think, and I think it came out great.